Hello everyone, in this video we are going to migrate all the tree views with the new syntax. As we all know that in Odoo 18 all the tree tags are replaced with the list tags. So once we try to install or migrate a module with the tree tag, we'll be getting an error. So it can get kind of very hefty if we are having lots of modules and lots of tree views and we want to convert them into the list view one by one. So for that purpose, Odoo has already provided us a new feature with Odoo 18, which is the upgrade code command. Using that command, we can simply replace all the tree tags to the new syntax, which is list tag. So here I have some modules in the custom add-ons, and if I try to find the tree tags, as you can see there are many tree tags. So we'll just write a command which will replace all these tree tags to the list tag. So first thing that we need is the Python. If you're using a virtual environment, we'll be using the Python from our virtual environment. Alright, so first we need the Python. Then we need the Odoo script path, which is Odoo bin. Then we are going to write upgrade code. Then we are going to write add-ons path. So this will basically be the path of the directory which holds all of your custom modules or the modules which you want to convert into Odoo 18. So all the tree tags in this specific path will be converted into the list tag. So I'm just going to give path to my custom add-ons. So that's it. We have the Python, our Odoo bin path, the upgrade code command, and with this command we have to give a mandatory add-ons path, which will be the path of the modules or the add-ons for which you want to convert all the tree tags. So I'm just going to run the command, and as you can see that it has converted all of the tree tags into the list tags. Now see, if I search the list tags in my custom add-ons directory, all of the tree tags have been successfully replaced with the list tags. And you can see the progress here also. It will show you all of the modules, all of the views which have been converted into the list tags. So this is how you can easily migrate your modules to Odoo 18 without worrying about the tree error. Thanks for watching.